Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be giving you an overview of desert camping light. It's one of the main requirement whenever you are planning to go for a desert drive or a night spending in the desert. So these are the typical lights typically used by the locals, Arabs and other expats living in the Gulf countries. So basically I brought this from Amazon. The brand name was 360-degree light, of course, made in China. And let me give you an overview of this thing. How does it work? So, in terms of overview, it's not really chargeable light, but rather it's available to connect directly with your car battery. And there are certain types of clamps and wires so that you can plug into your car battery while standing out there. So in terms of key components, as you may see here, that's the fishing rod type light basically. So we can see here these are 1 2 3 4 5 levels out there, and it's quite easy to assemble. And on top of this thing you can see here a screw arrangement is available. You're gonna have to plug this light, which is again an LED type light, bright light. Okay, of course we're gonna have to connect it with this cable available on both sides. So one of the connection will be made to this male section, female section here. Another one will go to two options. Basically, yes, one of them is directly basically a cigarette lighter or connection inside the car. Okay, and the second one is for connecting in directly to the battery inside the car. Okay, what else do we have here? LED controller with RF remote control. So that's again a connection point. We can see here the current rating is there, voltage rating is 12 volt, current rating is 12 ampere. The funny part is this thing. That's the main controller of this light with a lot of options available. So you can see here you can increase the brightness with plus and minus. You have a control over percentage, like you want to do this 25%, 50% or 100%. You have the modes, you have the speeds. With the speed I'm not really sure whether it's talking about the blink speed or something else. Yeah, but once I connect it to the car, of course I'll let you know what are other options available. What else we have? That's basically I think kind of a lock arrangement for this thing. So whenever you are packing it back, you can just put this on top of the fish rod so that you can lock it for safety reasons. Last but not least, we have got this rod arrangement so that whenever you are inside the desert or I would say an outdoor park, you can just push this inside the ground. You can just make an erection, and then this fishing rod will sit over here on this thing. Okay, let me show you how it should work. Usually it should work like this, it will sit over here, and then on other side you may gonna push this with the hammer on the ground so that this fishing rod is fixed and easily plugged somewhere whenever you need it. So overall, that's the main components of this light. And once operated in the desert, I'll try to record that video also for your references. In terms of cost, I would say that it was around somewhere around 100 dirhams. But of course, I'll share the link also in the comment box below. If you have any other varieties you have experience, or you may find any other similar things better than this with better price, especially in the UAE or Gulf market, yeah, please do let us know in the comment box below so that all viewers can get an idea, and it's all beneficial for all of them. Until my next video, stay tuned, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe it now and give me a thumbs up. All right, thanks, bye bye.